A social activist, Snehamai Krishna, has been arrested for allegedly spreading fake content on social media to defame a senior government officer. According to the police, Krishna is accused of creating fake documents and a fabricated audio clip and posting them on Facebook. The content allegedly targeted D.B. Natesh, a senior KAS officer and former commissioner of the Mysore Urban Development Authority. The arrest was made by the Central Crime Branch following an investigation into a complaint filed by the officer. A case was registered on February 18th at the Bengaluru City Cybercrime Police. Police officials said the accused allegedly used the officer's photograph to create false material and uploaded it online as part of the defamatory campaign. During the investigation, authorities collected evidence from the complainant and social media platforms. The audio clip shared on Facebook was also examined. In a statement, Seemant Kumar Singh, the Bengaluru Police Commissioner, said that based on the evidence, a court-issued search warrant was obtained. Police then searched the activist's house and seized documents relevant to the case. Police added that Snehamai Krishna had earlier been issued a notice to appear for questioning. He has now been taken into custody and is being questioned further as the investigation continues. The case highlights growing concerns over the misuse of social media to spread false information and damage reputation.